Ukrainian drones are often made cheaply with adaptation parts, but as this Ukrainian drone with great thermal image spots an abandoned BMP-1, it's time to clean the battlefield. As usual, the operator left the hatch open on the gunner, letting this Ukrainian drone operator to easily destroy the BMP. But as a more rare instance, we actually see this operator miss with the first grenade, hitting just to the side of the hatch. But luckily the drone was carrying more than one grenade, as it got another try, placing down an anti-personnel grenade that could completely destroy the BMP, taking it out of any future battle, reducing one more of Russia's equipment, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.